Words of God, YOBU 14:7-9. At least there is hope. For a tree, if it is cut down, it will sprout again, and its new shoots will not fail. Its roots may grow old in the ground, and its stump die in the soil. Yet at the scent of water it will bud and put forth shoots like a plant. And book of Jeremiah 31:3-4 said, The Lord appeared to us in the past, saying, I have loved you with an everlasting love. I have drawn you with unfailing kindness. I will build you up again, and you, virgin Israel, will be rebuilt. Again you will take up your timbrels and go out to dance with the joyful. Don't worry about what you threw today. God is going to rebuild you again because He loves you more. Trust God is able to change everything. Dear loving and merciful God, I come before you with heavy hearts, lifting up someone who is struggling and losing hope. I ask for your divine intervention and comfort to surround them in their time of need. Help them to feel your presence, your love, and your strength. Grant them courage to face each day with renewed hope and faith. Lord, I know that you are a God of miracles and that nothing is impossible with you. I pray for a breakthrough in their situation, for light to shine in the darkness, and for hope to be restored. May they find solace in your promises and trust in your plan for their life. I also pray for those who are supporting and caring for them, that they may be filled with compassion, wisdom, and patience. Lord, I place this person into your loving hands, knowing that you are the ultimate source of hope and healing. May they find peace and strength in you. In your holy name and your Son I pray. Amen.